Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there. Good to see you again, or hear you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. If you're new here, this is English Coffee Time, the channel where we talk in real, everyday American English, but slowly and clearly, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
We upload a new long conversation regularly, so you can listen while you drink your coffee, walk, drive, or do chores. Just press play and enjoy the English.
Listening and following along is the fastest way to improve, so please hit that red subscribe button now and tap the bell to get our updates.
Exactly. We're happy you're here. Let's start today's coffee chat.
Today, we're talking about something super exciting, traveling to Italy. Neo has been there a few times, and I'm planning my first trip there. I need all the tips.
Haha, yes. Let's help Emma and all of you plan a dream trip to Italy. We'll go slow, repeat phrases, and share real stories.
Hey, Neo, long time no see. How have you been? I was thinking about you because I'm planning a trip to Italy next summer. I've never been, and I'm excited but a little nervous. You've been there, right?
Oh, hi, Emma. I've been good, thanks. Yeah, I've visited Italy 3 times. Rome, Venice, Florence, Tuscany, Amalfi Coast, and a few smaller towns. Italy is amazing. Great food, history, beautiful views. Let's go step by step.
Totally. Let's start with Rome. What's special there?
Rome is called the Eternal City. It's over 2,000 years old. You must see the Colosseum, huge arena where gladiators fought. I went early morning to avoid crowds. Tickets about €15. Walk inside and imagine lions and warriors. It's like stepping into history.
Wow, so historic. Anything else in Rome?
Pantheon, a temple with a huge dome, the biggest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. Free entry. Look up at the oculus, the hole in the roof. Rain sometimes comes in. And the Trevi Fountain. Throw a coin over your shoulder. Legend says you'll return to Rome.
I love that. Did you throw a coin?
Yes, and I did return. Vatican City is also in Rome. See the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo painted the ceiling. God touching Adam's finger. Book tickets online. Lines are long.
Noted. And food?
Pasta. Try carbonara. Eggs, cheese, pancetta. No cream. That's American style. Gelato. Ice cream. My favorite? Pistachio. Eat small, local places, not tourist traps.
Let's role-play ordering food. You be the waiter.
Buongiorno. What would you like?
Hi, can I have spaghetti carbonara and water, please?
Still or sparkling water?
Still, thanks. Dessert? Gelato?
Chocolate or pistachio?
Pistachio, please.
Coming right up.
Fun! Now Venice, tell me about it.
Venice is magical. City on water. No cars, only boats. Gondola ride, about €80 for 30 minutes. Singers sometimes. St. Mark's Square. Pigeons everywhere. Climb Bell Tower for views.
True that it floods?
Yes, Acqua Alta, high water. Wear boots in winter. Visit Murano Island, glass blowing. I bought a small vase.
Cool. Festivals in Venice?
Carnival in February. People wear masks, costumes, parades, balls. I went once, dressed as a pirate. So much fun. 2 weeks long.
Florence?
Florence is art heaven. Duomo, cathedral with red dome. Climb 500 steps for view. Uffizi Gallery, Botticelli's Birth of Venus. David statue by Michelangelo in Academy Gallery. Huge marble figure.
David in Florence. I thought Rome.
No, original in Florence. Book ahead. Tuscany nearby. Rolling hills, vineyards. Rent a bike. Taste wine.
Sounds relaxing. Stories?
Once got lost in Tuscany. Asked a farmer for directions. He gave me grapes from his vine. So friendly.
Pisa?
Leaning tower. White marble. Tilts because of soft ground. Climbed 300 steps. Feels strange. Take funny photos holding it up.
Classic. Milan?
Fashion city. Duomo di Milano. Gothic cathedral. Shop Galleria Victorino Emanuele, luxury stores. See The Last Supper by Da Vinci. Book months ahead.
Lake Como?
Beautiful lake, mountains, villas, boat rides, hike to trail, waterfalls, fresh fish. George Clooney lives there.
Amalfi Coast?
Stunning cliffs, colorful towns like Positano, Amalfi, beaches, lemon groves, limoncello, try it. Narrow roads, drive carefully.
Cinque Terre?
5 villages on cliffs, Rio Maggiore, Manarella, hike trails, Blue Trail, sea views, train also, swim in clear water.
Calabria?
Southern tip, beaches, spicy food, tried Nduja, spicy sausage.
Festivals?
Palio de Siena, July and August, horse race, 10 riders, no saddles. Dangerous but traditional, wear team colors.
Verona Opera Festival?
Ancient arena in summer, watch Aida, Romeo and Juliet, outdoor, under the stars.
Ferragosto?
August 15th, beaches packed, fireworks, everyone relaxes.
Christmas?
Natale, lights, markets, panettone, midnight mass.
Easter?
Pasqua, processions, chocolate eggs. Sicily, big parades.
Vinitali?
Verona, April, taste hundreds of wines.
Umbria Jazz Festival?
July, Perugia, concerts, free outdoor shows. I saw a famous sax player.
Festa della Repubblica?
June 2nd, Republic Day, parades, military show.
Lemon Festival?
Amalfi, Sagra del Limone, lemon feasts, food stalls.
Travel tips?
Learn basic Italian. Ciao, hello. Grazie, thank you. Per favore, please. Trains good. Trenitalia app. Eat local. No cappuccino after noon.
Why?
Italians see it as breakfast drink. Espresso after meals.
Budget?
Hostels, 20 euros. Hotels, 50 plus. Meals, 10 euros. Museums, 15.
Safety?
Watch pickpockets. Keep bag close.
Train tickets?
Buongiorno. Where to?
Florence, please.
Single or return. 20 euros.
Single, thanks.
Platform 5.
Shopping?
Leather in Florence. Glass in Venice. Fashion in Milan. Markets, bargain. I got scarf in Rome. 30 to 20 euros.
Beaches?
Sardinia. White sand, clear water, like the Caribbean.
Mountains?
Dolomites, hiking, skiing, cable cars to peaks.
Sicily?
Mount Etna, hike, see lava, Greek ruins in Agrigento.
Pompeii?
Near Naples, city buried by a volcano, see frozen people, eerie but fascinating.
Capri Island?
Blue Grotto, cave with blue light, boat tour.
Bologna?
Food capital, try ragu sauce, real spaghetti bolognese.
Stories?
Venice, took wrong turn, ended on quiet canal, old lady feeding cats, peaceful.
Rome busy?
Yes, but Trastevere, cobblestone streets, street musicians, calm.
Tuscany wine tour?
Chianti region, bike through vineyards, taste Chianti wine.
Lake Garda?
Biggest lake, windsurfing, castles, rented a boat and swam in cold water.
Camoli?
Colorful houses, seafood, beautiful sunset.
Sorrento?
Amalfi cliffs, lemon orchards, perfect photo spots.
Cultural tips?
Italians kiss cheeks 2 times. Dinner late, 8 p.m.
Weather?
Summer hot, winter mild, spring best, April is perfect. Pack layers.
Shoes?
Comfortable, lots of walking on stones.
Souvenirs?
Olive oil, pasta, wine, small items.
Eco-travel?
Trains, recycle, avoid cars.
More festivals?
Stresa, Lake Maggiore, classical concerts. Luminata di San Ranieri, Pisa, June, Candle River Show. Chianti Classico Expo, September,
Wine tasting. Arezzo Antiques Fair, first weekend monthly. Sapori di Carnia, local food. Wineland Calabria, wine event.
Full day example Rome?
Morning, Colosseum. Lunch, pizza. Afternoon, Pantheon, Trevi Fountain. Evening, gelato walk.
Venice day?
Gondola ride, seafood lunch, islands, square concert evening.
Florence day?
Duomo climb, Uffizi Gallery, Ponte Vecchio, sunset.
Perfect. Thanks for all tips.
Anytime. You'll love Italy.
Can't wait. So that was today's conversation about traveling to Italy.
Now, we want to ask you,
Have you ever been to Italy?
or where in Italy do you dream to go?
Comment in English. What's your favorite Italian food or festival?
Share a travel story too.
We read every comment. It helps us make better videos.
If this conversation helped, subscribe to English Coffee Time.
Stay with us and practice.
Little steps every day lead to big progress.
See you next time.
Right here on English Coffee Time.